Hello, hello. Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Could be even a good morning. Don't know. But today is a day in history because 27 years ago, Tupac Shakur, we all know, was killed. Today, a man was charged for his murder. And that man is Duane Davis. And as they said, there is no expiration date for murder. So KVD, hopefully justice will finally come. 2.5 decades later, there will be hopefully justice for Tupac. Cannot even believe it took this long, but it did. So, on September 7th, 96, we know what happened. He was murdered. Here we are today, 27 years later. And it's a great thing to know that I got to see this day in history. Just saying. I wanted to start that on that. And hopefully, that family will finally get what they deserve. Justice. Justice. Sorry, I heard someone that was trying to call me. I don't want to keep that woman walking. So there's that. I hope everybody has had a great day. I have. I've gotten a lot of DMs and stuff like that. And listen, I'm only responsible for myself. Period. That's a fact. How somebody feels about me, I'm not responsible for that. I'm not responsible, but I'm not going to be painted into a person that I know I'm not. Because I'm not perfect, no more than anyone that is trying to judge me. Because they may be, or I don't know what anyone is. And it's not my place to honestly say, but you find me one perfect person, let's talk. You know, because nobody's perfect. Not that I'm aware of. Not that I'm aware of. But some say they are. Some say, you know what? Never did happen. No one's ever spoke on your mother. No one's called you a drug addict. No one said this about you. That's a lie. That's a lie. Am I shocked by some? Only one, I would say, one that I had heart for and love for. Yeah, that one, yeah. But hey, like I said, everybody has free will. And maybe they weren't who I thought they were. I don't know. That's not for me to decide. That's up to God. Because only God can judge me. Only God. God, I love night walking. I enjoy this. And that's kind of like why I say, keep the same energy. You know, if anyone wants to hold me responsible or accountable, listen, people don't just pull things out of their butt. They don't. And I'll show that tonight because I'm going to just show all the screenshots that were sent to me. Sorry, not sorry. So, women for women don't have a clue. Sadly. And I keep being told, now I don't know if I'm Shailene and dung beetle, or if it's, I don't know if I'm I don't know what it is. Because I'm not watching people. Don't need to. DMs, I get enough. You know, I get enough. But I will continue to pray for the ones I believe that need to be prayed for. Continue. And I will continue that energy regardless. So that's that. I also have no updates on my friend's daughter. I can tell that she has checked herself in looking down at the fairgrounds. Other than that, nothing is new at all. So as every day has gone by, we've gone past a month. Let's get real. We're rolling into another month. So that's that. Doesn't look good. Looks bleak for me, but I still have to remain positive. And hopefully she can continue to remain positive, because that is someone's child, hers. And I could never imagine having a child that's missing and nobody doing a daggone thing at all. I do appreciate those that have stood by me, that have stood by my family, my mom, and have supported me and let me know that they're there as a friend, and have paid attention to what's going on, and have sent me the things that they have, because I'm not gonna hate watch. And sometimes I don't even need to see some of the stuff, to be honest. I don't. Because like I said, only one shocks me. Period. And that's it. You know, that's it. Period. I do have something upcoming. A family that wants to come out and conversate. And I've okayed it, because everybody has a right to their voice. And I'm going to be doing that. I don't know. It'll probably be on the YouTube and not the Rumble. So that's that. I have a couple more things coming up. Sorting it out and working it out when it comes to families and their stories, which everybody has the right to tell. Just have to pinpoint a time on that, and that will be done on YouTube, because that's where I want to keep that stuff always. So there's that. Let me think of what else. I'm still praying for my mom, because her health is important, and it's detrimental. No matter what people think, you know, everybody matters. And she does. No matter what anybody else thinks, my mom does. And I'm gonna keep that there and keep that energy flowing. And I have positive energy, because I know that, well, I don't know that. I mean, I have faith that my mom will be here for a little while. You know, I have another upcoming surgery plan, which I'm not going to give that date. I'll talk about the date right now, but people will know when I know. That's that. That's that one. Well, actually, I've got two, but that's beside the point. I got two. But that's beside the point. Let's see. I was sent a DM. I would think that everybody needed to read Terms of Service. I've read Terms of Service. I absolutely have. And the fair use. I've done that. I know it works differently in different countries. And I get that. So there's that. And as I said to the person that sent me a message, that same energy should be respected when someone is accusing people of being on drugs or harming an animal or animals. You know? So you just can't have everything both ways or your way. This is not Burger King. And if it was, it'd be a little different. But we're not Burger King. So there's that. I mean, there's a lot of people that, rules for thee, but not for me. Well, the rules are for everyone. Everybody. That's another thing. They're for everybody. So I would recommend keeping that same energy. We're responsible for what is said in our chats. We are. Accusations, we're responsible for them. If one person feels violated by something, say a letter, well, when someone yells your home inside, it's another violated feeling. It's the same energy, just saying. And that's a fact. Then to go further, we could, but I'm not going to. Because I don't like to live there. I like to live here. And that's another fact. So, rules apply for everybody. And if you want something to not be done to you, don't do it to others. Because make it make sense. It's hard to when you can't. Just saying. So there's that. And it's facts. Let's see what we're going to talk about. We have we have something coming up. Some guest speakers, which I'm interested in. Some may not be. I am. So, yeah. I'm not watching others like that. So I don't know why people are so invested in me like that. If you don't like someone, as I've asked, don't hate watch for me. I'm good. I really am. Protecting your peace, that is what it is. Protect your peace. And everybody should be able to do that. So that's that. If people don't like my night walks, then why would you bother? I enjoy these. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's therapeutic for everybody to be able to get their feelings out on here. And that's my opinion. Only. And let's see. people to I've been praying for. Corn's mom. God knows the reason. Chad and his son and family. God knows that reason. Drunk Kelly. I see Virgie. She had a procedure, which was more than a procedure, but that's her story. It's not my place to tell. Mayor, Danielle, Susan and her husband, as he goes through his chemo, praying for that and for healing, because that's serious. And we want him to be here for her. Sister Tina, for her reason. Fought like a girl. Not that girl. Napa's daughter. Always my mother, because I'm going to continue, because I just know she'll be here for a while. Who else is on that list? Claudia. Margene. Trying to remember everybody. It's hard. Because the list grows and grows and grows. Apple. Gracie. And her husband's birthday today. Happy birthday, Flashlight Man. And I'm telling you, it's just so much easier to pray for people. It really is. And protect your peace. I believe in that. And what someone else says about you, just because they say it does not make it the truth. It doesn't. Sorry. And if people want to believe what they believe, I can't stop that. I don't wish to stop it. I don't. So that's sad. You know, I'm not going to do that. For my own personal reasons. I'm not here to change anyone's mind. I forgot, Cranky Granny and redhead stepchild and his wife. Yes. So try to keep them prayed up and in your prayers, please. And a lot of us would like peace. It would be a beautiful thing. I mean, to me, this is peace and serenity right here. It is. This is beautiful. It really is. And it tells me that this world can be a beautiful place. And it's worth being here. Don't ever let anybody count you out. Ever. And just always be true to you. Be authentically, unapologetically you. Because you know there's one thing you're not going to be able to do, and that's please everyone. I know that. And you're not. People will judge you. They will. It's on them. I look to God for my judgment. Yes, I look for God for my judgment. No one else. You know, that's it. So that's where I stand on that. And I pray for those out there that don't have the peace, that deserve that. Because there are people out there that do deserve peace. And they should get that. You know, are we responsible for it? No. And also, please pray for Folic Girl. We all know what she's going through. Pray for her. Please. So that's that. And for all the people that are doing good in this world, keep doing it. Keep being you. Don't let this world change you. This is a beautiful place to be. So never allow that. Stay who you are. Stay true to you. And that's something that I'll always say, is to stay you. Forever be you. And if people don't like you for you, that's not your problem and it's not your fault. And it's not. So I believe in staying true to yourself. As it said, to thy own self be true. And I believe it. We get a beautiful moon. And oh my goodness. Let's scroll into that prettiness. We'll get it in a minute. He went behind the tree. So, well, those are my words. People may not like my words. I'm sorry. You know, I think people know, some people know your stories, and that's okay. You know, it's been how many years? 5 since I took that chance and I got out of a situation that I needed to get out of. It might be longer than 5, and I don't regret a minute of it because it saved me. You know, if you're in a situation that you know is not a good one, you know when it's time. Only you do. You know and you know. And I have no regrets. I don't. This life I live, is so much more peaceful than anybody could ever know. Regardless if you live alone or not. I'm thankful to God that I was able to do what I could, and I was able to be free from that. And those chains are gone because I don't live there anymore. And I thank God every day for that. So for anybody that wants to call me this or this, I don't care. I really don't. I'm just letting it be known I don't. Because my story is mine. Nobody gets to have that at all. And it was my life and I lived it. So that's that. Period. So unless you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. And only some do. So with saying that, I'm glad I'm at the place I'm at now. Clearly, I praise God for that. And I'm happier than anybody would ever know. Living that life that I'm not having to live that one. I don't have to look back. I can look that way. It's forward. So if you've ever been in a situation that's not a healthy one, meaning relationship, etc., there's a way out. People that will help you that did it. And they're good. They're okay. They made it. You know, There's different types of abuse, some that people don't even understand, and there's always a way out. And that's all I'm going to talk about on that. On that part there, I'm going to leave you all, and I pray that everybody can go in peace and enjoy, you know, this beautiful scenery. I don't know how pretty it is where you are, but here is a little piece of heaven for me. It is. So I'm going to finish this walk, and I wish you all well. I wish you all life. Hope you go in peace. Know that you're celebrated. If someone shows you who they are, if you haven't called that person, listen, today may have been the last day you spoke to somebody that's real. Scary, but real. So when you're making decisions, don't do them on real fast. It's like I'm just doing it out of anger. Make sure you're doing it for the right reasons. Always. Protect yourself, protect your peace. And go where you're celebrated. Everybody belongs here. This world's big enough for every single body. You know, everybody belongs everywhere. True facts. So go in peace. I love you all, and I will see y'all later.